all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's T, and for today's video, I'm going to be repotting this pineapple plant. Disclaimer, I am not a professional gardener or anything like that. I'm just repotting it based off of common sense. So do not come for me because I'm just doing the best that I can. So that's what I'm using as the soil to pretty much repot my plant. So I'm just adding enough soil to where the bottom is not going to be too shallow. The roots need space to go in, I would assume. So I'm just going to add a good amount of soil in there. And then I have a spoon that I'm going to use to create an indent so I can make sure that the plant actually will fit inside of it before I put it in there. Now here I'm taking the plant out. I didn't expect for it to be what's called root bound. Basically, as you see, all those roots grew around inside of the pot because the plant was in there for too long. I'm gonna have to go ahead and repot this, but first I have to take it out, literally cut the bottom of it and the sides, otherwise it's not going to grow properly. So, you know, it's a learning experience as you go. Yeah, so I placed the plant down in that little indent that you saw me make. I think I might add a little bit more dirt just because it's a little lower, but basically make the same shape. So this is just after the fact of me putting more dirt in there. I'm just putting dirt at the sides to go ahead and cover it up. Again, I'm gonna have to dig this back up anyways, just to fix the root bound portion of it. But other than that, I would say it's a successful repot aside from all that. Okay, so I've repotted it to the best to the best of my abilities. I'm definitely gonna have to buy some more dirt because this pot was just larger than I thought it was, and this is like how much dirt is left, so I'm definitely gonna need more, but it is repotted. Now, my next step is I'm actually going to water it with this indoor plant food that I have, and well, I will keep you guys updated on it and how it grows. But I snipped off not all of the sides, but a good amount of it. I feel like it's snipped off good enough where those roots that are right here are going to be able to just go right into that soil. So I'm just going to go ahead and repot that. And here is the complete finished product. I still need to buy more soil, but I'm a little more confident that those roots are actually going to grow into the soil now, because literally when I took it back up, there was no progress. But that is the conclusion of this video, and I hope that you guys all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all next video.